Hey! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate on this HUAWEI. Firstly, just open Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Now scroll all the way down and click on Screen Refresh Rate. From here, just click on the best option for you, Dynamic, High or Standard. I will go with High, and click on the back button. As you can see, after that, screen refresh rate of my HUAWEI has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!